Hi everyone, today we have this platform called Warmy.io and this is the best all-in-one email deliverability channel. Now before we begin, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. So you can see here onto the platform, we have a couple of things. So we can start by creating our or connecting our social channels, like for example Gmail. We can add in here our Outlook. So basically these are going to be using to create that email deliverability channels. On the left side you can see we have our templates that could be used to create different email campaigns. So you can also add your plain text HTML or integrate it with HubSpot. So that is an amazing feature as well for the HubSpot users. On the left side you have your reputation. This is going to be populating once you create your different type of campaigns on the site. You have your validations. Of course, validations are important to check the integrity of different type of email that are going to be delivered and everything in here. You can see you have your file name, total emails, valid or results. You can upload your entire list as well in here and check the single email. On the left you can see your infrastructure that is going to be having, and you can add your team members and agency members in here to work collaboratively as well. So really amazing platform. If you are still unsure about Warmy.io, I have some amazing reviews for you guys left by people out there. Our success with Warmy protecting our emails. So it have much more amazing reviews as well. So you can head over to the link in the description below to check out Warmy.io and get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you guys around in the next video.